Naomi Marie Ramos?
And you are the mother of Andrina Leanna Ramos?
Yes.
Who's her father?
Adam Flores?
Your Honor, at this time, I would ask the court take judicial notice of the DNA test that is on file with the court.
Okay, Miss Ramos, have you seen the results from the DNA test?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Then I do take judicial notice of the entire contents of my court file, which does include the results for the genetic testing, which were filed on October 1st, 2025, and show the party tested were Mr. Flores, Miss Ramos, and the child before the court, and that the probability Mr. Flores is the father of this child is in excess of 99.99%. Mr. Hawkins.
Where is Mr. Flores currently?
In jail.
What was he arrested for?
For the murder of his father.
And is he in county or federal prison?
County.
How long has he been incarcerated for?
That, as far as I know, is since March of last year.
As far as you're currently aware, has he been sentenced yet?
No.
When he is sentenced, do you expect him to get out anytime soon?
No.
How would you describe your personal relationship to Mr. Flores?
Not good.
Do you think it's at all possible that the two of you could make joint managing decisions for Andrina together?
No.
And why is that?
For one, I'm scared of him, and because when we were together, he was very abusive towards me.
Was he physically or emotionally abusive?
Physically, both physically and emotionally.
Did he ever lay a hand on Andrina?
No.
Did he ever do any of these abusive tendencies in front of her?
No, she wasn't born.
Okay.
No.
How old is Andrina?
16.
And has Mr. Flores ever made any decisions for her?
No.
Have you been the only one to do it the entire 16 years of her life?
Yes.
And are you asking the court to keep it that way?
Yes.
Is there any issues with Mr. Flores having visitation with Andrina?
Is there any what? I'm sorry?
Issues with dad having visitation?
Yes.
What issues do you have?
I don't feel that she's safe with him.
And is it for those previously kind of discussed things?
Yes.
Okay. Do you think she'd be safe visiting him?
No.
How is she covered as far as health insurance goes?
She has Medicaid.
And do you have private insurance available to you at reasonable cost?
Yes.
Do you know how much that would cost you to put her on private insurance?
Oh, no, I do not. No.
But you think you can afford it?
No.
Okay, just clarifying because that's what I was asking about reasonable cost, and you had said
Oh,
yes.
okay. I'm sorry.
All good. I'm just trying to clarify. Are you seeking any retroactive child support today?
Yes.
When did you and Mr. Flores separate?
March. Hold on. March 5th of 2008. No. Yes, 2008.
Other than the most recent incarceration in March, has he been incarcerated as far as you're aware?
Yes.
How long in the past 4 years has he been incarcerated?
Oh, in the past 4 years. No, I'm sorry. I do not know.
Okay, so as far as you're aware, just last year, March till now, but other than that, nothing as far as you're currently aware.
Right.
Okay. Currently, Andrina's last name is Ramos. Are we wanting to keep it that way?
Yes.
And why is that?
For one, she doesn't know that that's her dad. I'm very scared for her to want to look for him, and
Has she ever met Mr. Flores?
no, he's never tried to be in her life or anything at all.
Do you have any safety concerns with Mr. Flores or any other third party getting a hold of your phone number address?
Yes.
Are you wanting those to be kept private?
Yes, please.
Is there Almost forgot. Does Mr. Flores have any other children that you're aware of?
That I know of, he has another daughter. Yes.
Is that daughter under the age of 18?
Uh, yes.
Okay. And is there anything else you think the judge needs to know today?
Um, Not that I can remember. No, not on top of my head.
This time I pass this witness.
Okay. I'm sorry, I didn't realize it was going to come up. Did you say he got incarcerated in March of 2025 or 2024?
24.
Okay. And before he was incarcerated, what kind of work was he doing?
I have no idea. Just from what just a hearsay that he didn't have a job.
Okay. So he wasn't, as far as you know, like working out in the oil field.
Uh, no.
As far as you know. Okay. So that's fine. I just want to make sure. And his other daughter, she's over 4.
Oh, yes.
Okay. And you said Mr. Flores hadn't been sentenced yet. Has he been convicted?
Uh, I have no idea.
Okay. So worst case scenario, he's got to still go through a trial.
Yes, I believe so.
Okay. And best case scenario, he's just got to get sentenced and go away.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Um, what kind of work do you do, Miss Ramos? Don't tell me where you're working, but what kind of work in general do you do?
I'm a stay-home mom.
Okay. Uh, does your do you currently have a partner in the
Uh,
household, like a husband or a boyfriend or girlfriend or whatever?
no, ma'am. Um,
Okay.
I get a child support for my other kids, and plus, I'm trying to get disability for myself.
Okay. Then that raised the question. You said you had other insurance available to you. Where would that insurance come from?
That's from my other kid's father. He includes it's with his work. He includes us and his other 3 kids that I have with him.
Were you married to him?
No, ma'am. No,
Okay.
he just helps me.
But he does not have Andrina on insurance through his employer at this point.
Yes, he does.
Okay. Does Medicaid know about that?
Yes, ma'am. Hmm.
Okay. And they went ahead and covered her.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. All righty. Is there anything else? Oh, you said what has happened in the past few years to make you think you shouldn't have your address and phone number in the order?
Um, Nothing's happened. I just don't want it to get to him and
Okay.
him
Has he
harass me.
never ever had your number?
No, not just whenever I left, he knew my phone number, but after that, no.
Okay. And you changed it?
Yes.
Okay. Did you tell him way back then that he might be the father of your child?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. But then you went radio silent.
Uh, yes, ma'am. Uh, he knew where I lived. He knew where to find me because I lived with my parents. And
Uh-huh. Okay. Is there anything else you think I ought to know?
no, ma'am.
Okay. And I just got to do a little bit of math. Hang on for me for just a sec for the
Okay,
arrears, okay?
that's fine.
All right. Anything else, Mr. Hawkins?
Nothing from the state, Your Honor.
Anything else, Miss Ramos?
No, ma'am.
All right. Then here's what we're going to do. Court finds I have jurisdiction over the parties and over the subject matter. The court finds that based on the genetic testing, Adam Flores is the biological father of the child, Andrina Ramos. And I established the legal parent-child relationship between Mr. Flores and the child. The child being 16, I am not changing the child's surname. So she's going to stay Ramos.
Thank you.
Okay.
Yes.
I do find that the presumption for joint managing conservatorship has been rebutted, and I do appoint the mother, Naomi Ramos, as the sole managing conservator of the child, which includes the right to determine the primary residence of the child and to make the school choices of the child. I do, however, appoint Mr. Flores as a possessory conservator. I order the parents to communicate through the Coparenting Application app Close, and I order that it be downloaded to whatever device is available to them by November 20th, 2025. He may never reach out to you, but I want him to have a tool in which he can. Okay. And it's just a way, it's just an application you put on your phone or your tablet. I'm pretty sure if he goes to TDCJ, he has access to a tablet and they probably have it downloaded. But you sign up for it, and then you can direct message basically each other.
Okay.
Okay. And if it's not about your mutual child, right? Then you can get a transcript of what he is sending you, and you can come in and get the order modified.
Okay. Good.
Okay.
Okay.
All right. I am as a possessory conservator, Mr. Flores does have certain rights and duties. One of those rights is information regarding the child if he decides he wants it. And the other would be the right to visitation. However, since he's currently incarcerated and may very well be going for an extended period of time, I am not entering a court-ordered visitation schedule. So if he got out tomorrow, he could not come knock on your door and say, "Come on, kiddo, let's go." Okay.
Okay.
It would have to, he could reach, if y'all reached an agreement, but I would leave it up to you as to where and when and under what circumstances would keep you and your daughter safe.
Okay.
Okay. Now, of course, when she turns 18, it's not up to you or me anymore. All right. Okay. Okay. Since Mr. Flores is currently incarcerated, I do find that he has an average gross monthly income of 0, a net monthly resources of 0, and one child before the court, one other child he has a duty to support, guideline rate 13.5%. But 13.5% of 0 is 0. So I do order Mr. Flores to pay current child support of 0 a month beginning December 1st, 2025, and cash medical support of $0 a month, also beginning December 1st, 2025. But I do order Ms. Ramos to maintain the child on the government medical assistance program. Okay. I do find that Mr. Ramos has been not incarcerated 29 of the past 48 months, and based on minimum wage, I order that Mr. Flores, I enter a retroactive child support judgment against Mr. Flores of $6,000, and I order him to make payment on that judgment at $200 a month beginning December 1st, 2025. And we all understand he's not making a payment while he's incarcerated.
Right.
Okay. But that'll sit there and that'll occur interest at let's see, $30 a month. Yeah, $30 a month. Okay, I
Okay.
can't, he doesn't have resources, I can't make him unless he's got
Right.
something he's willing to pay.
Okay.
And he can't get in trouble for not paying his child support or his retroactive child support while he's in prison,
Right.
right? So our choices are limited there. However, when he gets out, he will owe that money. I do authorize wage withholding, but all the payments have to go through the state disbursement unit. Okay, so if he were to get out 5 years, 10 years, whatever, and he tries to pay that judgment off to you, you cannot accept that money.
Okay.
Okay, if it doesn't go through, because they're the one, the AG is the one who's going to accrue the interest. If it's not going through the system, they don't know he's making payments, and the interest payment doesn't adjust.
Okay.
So you need to tell him. I mean, I know you need the money. I know he owes you the money, but
Mhm.
you need to stand up and say, okay, thank you very much, but this has to go through the state disbursement unit.
Okay.
Call the AG's office. They'll help you arrange that. Okay.
Okay.
You can just always send him back to the AG's office when it comes to the money.
Okay.
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 Um, and in the meantime, any unreimbursed medical expenses are split between the parents 50-50. I understand you probably don't have any of those if you've got both insurance and Medicaid on the child, but if anything changes in the last couple of years, because that also ends when she's 18 and out of high school, there is a process to get that set up to be recovered through the court. It is laid out in the court order. Please be sure to review that.
Okay.
Okay. Based on the evidence provided as to why Mr. Flores is currently incarcerated, that it involved the homicide of a family member, I do find that it would be appropriate to keep Ms. Ramos's information confidential, and I do grant the non-disclosure of that. And I do order Mr. Flores, he doesn't get out of this by being in jail. I do order him to pay the court costs. I make them do as billed to Dawson County District Clerk's office in 30 days, but they're not getting their money until after he gets out of jail either. Okay?
Okay.
All right. Is that all your issues, Mr. Hawkins?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. So what happens now is Mr. Hawkins is going to put all this in writing. They'll send it to me. I'll check it, sign it, send it back. And then the Attorney General's office will send you and Mr. Flores a copy of that order.
Okay.
So if he's got any other family members, whatever, in that town that are still in contact with him, if he can't get hold of you directly, he may try to get them to get hold of you. So all I'm saying is just be aware when you get your copy, he's getting his.
Okay.
Okay? Now, just have a heads up.
Okay.
Okay? Now, if anybody does not like what I've ruled, you each have the right to ask the district court to rehear any or all of it. It's called a de novo, but it must be filed in 3 business days. For you, that's Tuesday of next week. For Mr. Flores, it's basically 3 days after he gets his copy of the order.
Okay.
But if you don't do it just right, you might not get very far. So I do strongly recommend that if you want to do that, you at least talk to a private attorney about how to do that. It's not my job to tell you or anybody to file a de novo or not. I just had to make sure you knew you had the right to.
Okay.
All right. Again, Miss Ramos, thank you